Impulse. A large force acting for a very short interval of time is called as an impulsive force. When a force F acts on a body for a period of time t, the product of force and time is known as impulse, represented by J, where impulse J is equal to F into t. By Newton's second law, F is equal to del P divided by T, where del refers to change. Here, del P equals F into T. From the above equations, it is understood that J equals del P. Impulse is also equal to the magnitude of change in momentum. Its unit is kilogram meter per second or Newton second. Change in momentum can be achieved in two ways. First one, a large force acting for a short period of time, and second one, a smaller force acting for a longer period of time. Let us understand this with some examples. Automobiles are fitted with springs and shock absorbers to reduce jerks while moving on uneven roads. In cricket, a fielder pulls back his hands while catching the ball. He experiences a smaller force for a longer interval of time to catch the ball, resulting in a lesser impulse on his hands.